Tonight, I would like to stand by the name of the one and only Leona King Kong of Kong Skull Island, aka Rebecca Skyla Brackenstone. Pero mas kilala sa pangalang Maria Leonora Teresa Magunda Dato Ampatuan Marcos Robredo Trillanes Maute
Uson.
Duterte Jr. But you can simply call me Micah. Yes, my nickname is Micah. May kapangita, may kabahuan, pero may kakaibang tagline na magandang kalooban. Inaro, like, no. With a vital statistic of 34, mga saying. And you know what? In English good. I am no longer happy with my name. Simply because when I applied for a visa, the consul denied my application because my name is quite long and unacceptable. So I changed my name to the shortest name I could ever give to the consul. I changed it to my original name, Miss Liu, because I belong to the Chinese family. I am not lucky when it comes to career, but I am the luckiest woman when it comes to love. Because right after applying for a visa, I was totally disappointed and devastated. So I went back to Negros Island, and I found this very handsome man who happened to have the name of Mr. Lucito Tan, the younger brother of the Philippine business tycoon Lucio Tan. The family nga ganahan kay mukha unog utang. He was in love with me and he wants to get married with me. So right after marriage, it says in my marriage certificate, my first name, Mrs. Ellie, my middle name when I was still single, you, and my family name with my husband, Tan, Mrs. Ellie Yu Tan. But you know what? I'm no longer happy because in every government agency, if I transact, usually the cashier will call my name, number 17, who is this Mrs. Ellie Yu Tan? In all agencies of the government, SSS, GSIS, etc. That's why I decided to divorce my husband because my name was
Husband, Juday?
Husband. Ano ba ka? Kay comedy ba yan na? Di ko ikuan. Dapat ko na yung mga flaws ang mga kan kay seryoso ka din. Dapat ay binuang.
Dapat butol-butol ka, di ba?
Butol-butol ka nga sosyal.
Mr. Tinuod jud nga.
So, ito nga. That's why I decided to divorce my husband. But you know what? Marriage is the hardest bond to break. So I get a good lawyer, and according to my lawyer, you need to undergo a certain process and procedures under the law of the Philippine Constitution. And it says, authentication. Because when you are married, everything is conjugal, and you need to authenticate if you want to have your claim. And if you want to win the case, you need to undergo another process, and it is what we call bilateral process and proceedings.